Yes, hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to solve this linear programming problem in Excel. So the linear programming problem is shown in the right hand side. You can see there are two decision variables x1 and x2. The objective function is maximization. Z is equal to 10x1 plus 8x2. And there are two constraints. 2x1 plus x2 is less than equal to 100. x1 plus x2 is less than equal to 70. And non-negativity constraints are there. To solve this in Excel, so first we'll write down the names of the variable x1 and x2. So I want the answers in these two cells, so I'll just color them yellow as per my convenience. Now I'll create a row for objective, a row for flour constraint and a row for oil constraint. Then what I'll do is I'll fill the coefficients. So you can see for objective the coefficient is 10 and 8. Flour is 2 and 1 and oil is 1 and 1. Okay. Now what we will do is we will use a sum product function. So in this cell, I click and write is equal to sum product. Click on tab and then I will select these two cells, comma, these two cells. So you can see sum product function has happened. Now this is showing 0, but this will update once the model has run. Now I cannot drag it because the formula will get distorted. What I need to do is I need to anchor. So these two cells should be same in all the formulas. So I'll go there and click on F4. Go there and click on F4. So you can see I have done the anchoring and I'll just drag it down. Now these two constraints are less than equal to, I'm writing just for my notations and I'll just write it 170. Okay. I have fed all the inputs that is needed. Now comes the main part. I'll click on data and then you can see this solver is here. If this is not showing, then you will have to go and enable it. So I click on solver and one window opens. Now this window will ask me few questions. First, it will ask me where is your objective function. So if you see, my objective function was this, because this was the sum product of the variables and objective coefficient. Then it will ask maximization or minimization. It is maximization by default. Then it will ask by changing variable cells. So these two are my decision variables. So this is basically the decision variables. You can select both of them together. Now constraints. So you have to click on add and then these two values should be less than equal to, which is by default selected, these right hand side values. Click on OK. You can see my constraints has been added. Make unconstrained variables non-negative. So this has already by default tick. One more thing you should do is just click on the drop down and click on simplex. Once you do this and click on solve, you will see your answer is ready. You can just close this window. So the answer is ready. So this answer means that x1 is 30, x2 is 40 and the objective function is 620. So this is how we solve linear programming problems in Excel. Yeah, thank you.